KWNWA, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Want to let you know about a hands-on workshop that we have coming your way on Friday, May 12th, that is going to be open to not only Keller Williams, but to your guests that are in real estate, but also business owners in the area, because it's applicable to all business owners. And what we're going to be doing on Friday, May 12th is a hands-on workshop on Become Google Great. Bring your laptop, be ready to apply right there in the class all of the great things that Google can do to help build and grow your business, get you more leads, get you to the first page of Google, and many things we're going to be talking about completely free. Then we'll take our in-house lunch. We'll come back at 12:30, and we're going to talk about probably the hottest topic in all of the world right now, and that is Chat GPT, artificial intelligence in general. We're going to show you the good and the bad, and some of the bad is pretty scary, but we're also going to show you how you can go out and use this effectively for your business. So we're going to make you fully aware of what Chat GPT can do and what the benefits are going to be for your business. This class, to attend in person, $99. To attend via Zoom, $109. So we'd love for you to be in the class, save a little bit of money, join us in person. Like to see a packed house. Another reason why we'd like to see a packed house, a portion of this is going to be donated to KW Cares. I'm a Little Rock investor, Keller Williams Little Rock investor, and we have a lot of people whose homes were damaged, and we want to make sure that we can help as many people as possible. So a portion of this is going to be donated to them via KW Cares. So I hope to see you guys in a packed room on Friday, May 12th. See you then.